Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're looking to improve your American English skills, you're in the perfect place. In this video, I'll be reading 10A1 level English paragraphs designed especially for beginner learners. These paragraphs are simple, clear, and packed with everyday language to help you build confidence in your speaking and listening skills. And here's a bonus tip for you. You can practice shadowing with me. Shadowing means you pause after I read a sentence and then repeat it out loud. This will help you work on your pronunciation, rhythm, and how natural your speech sounds. But that's not all. After we finish reading all the paragraphs, we'll move on to a vocabulary section here. I'll help you learn some advanced English words from these paragraphs. I'll explain their meanings and give example sentences so you can understand how to use them in your own conversations. Are you ready to start learning and practicing? Grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's do this together. A visit to the grocery store. A trip to the grocery store is a staple of daily life, yet offers a fascinating glimpse into modern convenience. You maneuver through meticulously arranged aisles, each brimming with fresh produce, boxed goods, and specialty items. The bakery section tempts customers with the enticing aroma of warm, freshly baked bread, while the checkout lane hums with the rhythm of scanning beeps and casual greetings. Despite its routine nature, a grocery run reveals a sheer abundance of choices we often take for granted. The diversity of American breakfasts. American breakfast traditions are as diverse as the culture itself, reflecting a blend of regional preferences and personal tastes. From a hearty plate of pancakes, scrambled eggs, and sizzling bacon to a minimalist bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit, breakfast offers something for everyone. Coastal cities might showcase avocado toast with a poached egg, while Midwestern diners provide stacks of golden waffles dripping with syrup. Regardless of the meal, a cup of robust coffee is often the indispensable companion to starting the day. Unwinding at the beach. A day at the beach is much more than a leisurely retreat. It's an immersive experience that tantalizes the senses. The soft grains of sand shift beneath your feet as the rhythmic crash of the waves fills your ears. Children sculpt intricate sand castles, while their laughter mingles with the cries of soaring seagulls. Meanwhile, sun-seekers recline under colorful umbrellas, soaking up the warmth as salty breezes brush against their skin. At sunset, the horizon transforms into a masterpiece of amber and crimson hues, an ethereal end to a perfect day. American football and its cultural significance. American football is more than mere entertainment. It's an institution rich with community spirit and fervor. Autumn weekends revolve around passionate fans donning team colors, hosting elaborate tailgate feasts, and cheering from the stands or their living rooms. From high school games under Friday night lights to the grandeur of the Super Bowl, football stitches itself in the fabric of American identity. It transcends the game, fueling rivalries, igniting traditions, and uniting fans across generations. Exploring the majesty of national parks. America's national parks are sanctuaries of unparalleled natural beauty, offering a respite from the chaos of urban life. Vast alpine landscapes, cascading waterfalls, and panoramic vistas await adventurers seeking solace in nature. Yellowstone's geothermal wonders, the towering granite cliffs of Yosemite, and the vast expanse of the Grand Canyon reveal the Earth's raw majesty. Visitors often encounter diverse wildlife, from elk grazing in meadows to eagles soaring majestically overhead. These parks invite us to reconnect with the planet and reflect on our place within its grand tapestry. The allure of a local coffee shop stepping into a cozy coffee shop feels like a pause button pressed on life's fast-forward pace. The rich aroma of freshly ground beans mingles with the buzz of quiet conversations and clinking cups. Enthusiasts sip everything from velvety cappuccinos to indulgent caramel macchiatos. Some customers perch by the window with novels, while others tap furiously on laptops. The ambience of soft lighting and warm wooden interiors creates an intimate haven, perfect for contemplation or camaraderie. Electric cars in the road ahead. The rise of electric vehicles signifies a pivotal shift towards sustainability and technological innovation in American transportation. Once a niche market, electric cars are becoming mainstream as manufacturers prioritize efficiency and eco-consciousness. Models like Tesla's sleek designs now share the market with offerings from traditional automakers. Cities work tirelessly to expand charging networks, making long-distance travel increasingly viable. Electric vehicles symbolize not only environmental responsibility, but also the evolving narrative of progress in reducing dependence on fossil fuels. The enchantment of fall. Autumn in America is a symphony of colors and crisp air, evoking both nostalgia and renewal. Deciduous trees shed brilliant crimson, amber, and golden leaves, painting the landscape in vibrant hues. Pumpkin spice treats dominate menus, while scenic drives and hayrides become weekend staples. Halloween adds whimsy to the season, with jack-o'-lanterns grinning from porches, while Thanksgiving fosters gratitude through heartfelt gatherings. Fall's magic lies in its fleeting beauty and its invitation to savor simple joys. The complexities of social media. Social media platforms, though revolutionary, carry a dual-edged dynamic in how they influence American culture. Apps like Instagram and TikTok document daily life, allowing users to curate an idealized version of reality. Platforms amplify voices and democratize information, building bridges across communities worldwide. However, the endless pursuit of likes and validation can foster anxiety and disconnection. Striking a balance between staying informed and mindfully disconnecting ensures these powerful tools enhance rather than detract from daily life. Dogs and their place in the family. Dogs in America are cherished as loyal companions, embodying the phrase man's best friend. They are not merely pets, but treasured members of many households. Celebrated with luxury items, training classes, and even their own social media profiles, rescue advocates tirelessly work to match abandoned dogs with loving homes, emphasizing ethical ownership. From joining jogs in the park to curling up during quiet nights, dogs enrich their owners' lives with unwavering affection, boundless energy, and a deep bond of trust and companionship. Now that we've finished reading all 10 paragraphs, it's time to expand our vocabulary. Here are some advanced English words we came across in the paragraphs, along with their meanings and example sentences. Practice using these words in your own sentences to fully understand them. Staple of daily life. This phrase refers to something that is a regular or important part of your everyday life. Coffee has become a staple of daily life for many people around the world. Glimpse, meaning a glimpse, is a quick look or brief view of something, whether as a noun or a verb. She caught a glimpse of her favorite celebrity at the movie premiere. Imagine walking down the street and suddenly spotting someone famous. You only see them for a second. That's what it means to get a glimpse. Maneuver, meaning to skillfully move around something or a movement that requires careful effort. Example, he managed to maneuver his car through the narrow and crowded streets. Driving in a busy city often requires you to carefully maneuver around other cars or obstacles. It's all about being skillful with your movements. Aisles, meaning the spaces between rows of shelves, seats, or objects where people walk. Example, she walked down the aisles of the supermarket looking for her favorite cereal. Picture yourself in a grocery store, pushing a cart and walking between shelves. That's the aisle. Abundance, meaning a large quantity of something, more than you really need. Example sentence, the farm produced an abundance of fresh vegetables this season. You might think of a feast with so much food on the table that there's no space left. That's an abundance. Indispensable, meaning something absolutely necessary or that you cannot live without. Example, a good pair of shoes is indispensable for long hikes. Do you have something you always rely on, like your phone or a backpack? That item is indispensable to you. Immersive, meaning something that deeply engages or absorbs you in an experience. Example, the museum's virtual reality tour is so immersive you feel like you're really there. Have you watched a movie or played a game that made you feel like you were part of the story? That's what immersive means. Indulgent, meaning enjoying something pleasurable, sometimes a little too much. Example, the dessert was rich and indulgent, with layers of chocolate and caramel. Offering yourself a treat now and then, like chocolate or a spa day, is being indulgent, and that's okay. Ambience, meaning the mood or atmosphere of a place. Example, the restaurant's cozy ambience makes it perfect for a romantic dinner. Think about a cafe with soft music, warm lighting, and comfy chairs. That relaxing feeling, that's the ambience. Prioritize, meaning to decide what is most important and focus on that first. Example, she decided to prioritize her assignments to meet all the deadlines. When life gets busy, it's important to prioritize, which means to focus on things that matter most. Deciduous, meaning describes trees or plants that shed their leaves every year. Example, the park is filled with deciduous trees that turn brilliant colors in autumn. Deciduous trees are the ones that give us those beautiful fall colors like red, orange, and yellow. Whimsy, meaning playful, imaginative, or fanciful ideas or behavior. Example, the artist's paintings add a touch of whimsy to the otherwise plain room. Whimsy, it's like that little spark of playfulness or creativity that makes something extra special. Companions, meaning people or animals you spend time with and share experiences with. Example, dogs are known to be loyal and loving companions. Your best friend, your pet, or even a travel buddy can all be considered your companions. Thank you so much for watching. You've done an amazing job practicing with me today. Remember, improving your English skills takes time and consistency, so keep practicing those paragraphs and vocabulary words. Try using them in your daily conversations to make them stick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me which word or sentence was your favorite, or share any questions you have. I'm here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more videos to help you on your language learning journey, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Keep working hard, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.